Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a story and then break down some super useful English words. This is a great way to improve your vocabulary and listening skills at the same time. Are you ready? Let's begin. Our story for today is called The Dead Battery. Carlos was walking through the city center. He wanted to visit the famous history museum. He was looking at a map on his phone to find the way. Suddenly, his phone screen went black. The battery was dead. Carlos stopped walking. He looked around. He did not know where he was. To his left was a bakery, and to his right was a park. He felt a little confused. He decided to ask for help. He saw a woman sitting on a bench reading a book. He walked over to her. "Excuse me," Carlos said politely. "I am sorry to interrupt, but I am lost. Do you know where the History Museum is?" The woman smiled and put down her book. "Yes, it is very close," she said. "Go straight down this street for 2 blocks, she explained, pointing her finger. "Then turn left at the big bank. The museum is located right next to the post office. You can't miss it. Thank you very much," Carlos said. He repeated the directions in his head. Straight 2 blocks. Left at the bank. 10 minutes later, he saw the big columns of the museum. He was happy that he found it without his phone. What a great little story. It shows that even with all our technology, sometimes just asking a person for help is the best way to go. Now, let's review 5 useful words from the story. This is the perfect chance to build your English vocabulary. Our first word is battery. Battery is a noun. It's the power source for things like your phone, a car, or other electronics. For example, you might say, "I need to charge my phone because the battery is low." Next up, we have confused. Confused is an adjective. It means you unable to understand something clearly, or you don't know what to do. In a sentence, you could say, "The math problem was hard, and the student was confused." Our third word is interrupt. Interrupt is a verb. It means to stop someone while they are speaking or doing something. For instance, a polite way to say this is, "Please do not interrupt me while I am working." The fourth word is straight. Straight can be an adverb or an adjective. It means moving in one direction without turning or bending. When giving directions, you could say, "Walk straight until you see the ocean." And our final word is located. Located can be an adjective or part of a verb phrase. It simply means where something is. It describes the position of a building or a place. For example, the school is located near the park. So, there you have it. 5 new words: battery, confused, interrupt, straight, and located. Try to use them in your own sentences this week. Practice really does make perfect. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. We hope you enjoyed the story and the vocabulary lesson. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. See you in the next one.